Hey, JhuxtelloiTech fam! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the 2023 WASSCE results, and Ghana is stealing the spotlight. The Ministry of Education just dropped some major stats, and it's making waves across West Africa. So, buckle up as we break down the numbers. Ghana didn't just ace the exams, they aced it with flying colors. Out of 465 candidates, a whopping 411 bagged those elusive 8 A1s. That's right, straight A1s, and it's setting a new standard in the region. The Ministry of Education is beaming with pride, and they've got the receipts to prove it. From a humble 40.93% average in core subjects back in 2015, they've skyrocketed to an impressive 69.73% in 2023. Talk about a glow-up. But, hold on. Not everyone is cheering in the crowd. Former President John Dramani Mahama raised some eyebrows with his comments, throwing shade on the authenticity of the 2023 results. He's out here alleging that invigilators are playing the blind game while students are pulling off some Mission Impossible level cheating, all with the help of teachers. Well, the Ministry of Education wasn't having any of it. They fired back, calling it a calculated attempt to rain on their parade. They're not just about results. They're about the journey and the strides they've made in enhancing learning outcomes. In fact, they're straight up calling on all Ghanaians to condemn these comments, standing firm on upholding the highest quality of education in the country. It's not just about the grades, it's about the commitment to excellence. So, what do you think about this WASSCE drama? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and let's get this discussion going. Don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already, and stay tuned for more mind-blowing updates from JhuxtelloiTech. Until next time.